Hi, my name is Zara Kadir and I'm a counsellor and psychotherapist specialising in art and play therapy with children. So I'm going to show you a few of the things I use and how they work, and hopefully that will answer some of your questions about how play therapy even works. So dolls' houses are something that children really gravitate towards because it's something they're very familiar with. But it's also a way that they can really explain to me what their home situation is or how they experience it, because what's really important in working with children is recognising that it's their experience and not necessarily exactly what's really happened. So in this doll's house, there's a grandma and a grandpa and a little girl on the bottom floor, and the little girl is the protagonist, which was my client. And upstairs is mummy with lots and lots of other children, and daddy is outside of the house. So what she told me through her play was that daddy was away at work a lot, and that allowed us to have a conversation about what that was like, that daddy wasn't around very much and how that made her feel. She then went on to tell me that mummy was always busy with all of the children and all of the babies. And the reality was that she had two siblings, which for some children might not feel overwhelming. But in this case, for this client, she felt very overwhelmed by having lots of siblings, and she felt very much that she had been cast aside and that grandma and grandpa were often called to look after her instead. If you find it useful and you'd like to know a little bit more, then you can find me on my website, www.choose-therapy.co.uk, or of course you can find me on the counselling directory, Zara Kadir.